This girl is probably demon possessed because this is way too much. Watch this.
It's about this guy named Coach Kells, and supposedly he has a stalker.
We're not about to keep doing this shit. I'm not about to keep doing this shit.
Okay, wait,
no.
Listen.
There's nothing to listen to.
My phone is dead.
I don't give a fuck. You're trying to lose your life.
Are you listening?
Pardon the language, by the way.
Your life.
Okay, well first...
You're trying to lose your life.
Relax. My phone is completely
I don't care. What does that got to do with me?
I'm going in the library.
The library? There's no library at my school. The school you just fucking followed me from.
I go to the library behind you. It's behind you.
You were just at my school.
Okay.
And when I pulled off, you pulled off. And then when you try to follow me, I pull behind you. Because at this point, I know your car.
Because I'm going to the
Why
library.
do you know what school I go to?
I'm going to the library.
Why do you know what school I go to?
I go to school too.
Why do you know what school I go to and why do you know my schedule? I don't understand.
Whoa, something's off. She's very proud for being a stalker. She probably don't even think she is a stalker.
Listen.
Imagine if this was the other way around. If a guy was doing this. Oh my days. Oh hell no. The whole world will go crazy. Like, oh, this is... So it's like, this is not... This you shouldn't tolerate this at all.
Or you get this pretty face, okay? I gotta tell you my name first.
I don't care what your name is.
You do care.
I don't.
Care.
Stop the bullshit.
You wanna care though, right?
Once I get this restraining order...
Listen.
Once I get this restraining order...
Have we
and
ever...
you keep doing this shit...
Have we ever locked eyes before?
Once I get this restraining order...
Have we locked eyes?
And you keep doing this shit, I promise you...
Have we ever locked eyes before? Growing up in Africa, there's this thing, that people who had witchcraft used to do. If they have witchcraft against you or they're trying to put it on you, they want you to lock eyes with them so they can transfer something. You know how they say the eyes are the windows to the souls? Yeah. So when I'm hearing this, have we ever locked eyes before? It's like, I don't know. Let me know. Am I reaching? In the comment section, let me know. Once you're there, smash the like button. Let's carry on.
Your life is in danger.
Have we ever locked eyes?
Your life is gonna be in danger.
What?
Have we ever locked eyes?
It's my last time. I'm getting
She's trying to lock eyes with him as well.
Once I get it.
Are you listening?
You keep doing this, your life is in danger.
Listen, this right here.
I don't care.
I go to school.
I don't care.
No,
they should have taught you some shit. Like I just said. I'm gonna say it one more time.
Listen.
I'm gonna get this restraining order. Once I get this restraining order.
Who are you talking about?
Once I get this restraining order.
Who are you talking about?
If you keep doing this, your life is gonna be in danger.
This girl is truly convinced that they're like supposed to be together or something. And for how fed up he is, this must have been going on for a while.
100%.
Would a guy even be able to get a restraining order in this type of situation? I just don't feel like cops would like believe you or even care. They're like, what? It's just a woman. Like, bro, you're a man. Who cares? Now, guys, I found another clip of what she did right after this. Oh my God, look.
Wow.
I'm a part of the club.
Yo. What the fuck?
What's the note say?
What the actual fuck?
What's
Pardon the language.
What is this? What is this? Is this life? What is this? This is not real life. It can't be.
It's real. She was trying to open the door. She should open the door.
Shorty. No. No. Please.
Look at her peeping.
Bro, what the actual fuck? This is crazy.
Oh God.
Are you reading it?
I'm not reading it. Go back to your car. Shorty.
He know you.
Who the fuck is he?
No, God know you.
She just said God.
God. Who's God?
I told you guys this.
Boy, it's crazy.
This is demonic.
My dogs are gonna run away. Listen.
Yes, Trav. Yes, it is. Trav, yes. Trav, yes it is.
And she eating a sucker. She just vibing. This ain't nothing. He pulling off.
This is crazy. This is blasphemy.
When she brought up God, that gave me so many flashbacks, bro. I've had a stalker before, and I'm not gonna say that much, but she was relentless. And she said God said we were supposed to meet and be together forever and da-da-da-da, true love. Then she pulled up on me, and I don't know how she found me, but she pulled up on me. And I'm like, go
is there more?
home.
Is there
I didn't
more?
get it like
Because this guy's throwing too
This is
much.
madness. Now, guys, he goes home and gives us a story time about what the heck is happening.
Okay, there is more.
Alright, so them videos is, if you've been following me for a minute, you know you've seen those videos probably that went viral, but I deleted them because her people that asked me to delete it for her safety, and they said they would take care of it. So I'm like, alright, cool, deleted it. It's now about to be October, and nothing has been done. This girl, I've only seen her since the last time, I think twice. But she calls me like every single night from like a block. I blocked her number, but she like star 67s me like every night at like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning.
How did she get your number?
I just put my phone do not disturb. Haven't really been paying too much mind. But fast forward to today, she shows up at my job, just sitting outside my job, confronts her, arguing with her for 30 minutes, boom, whatever. I go back inside, come back out, she's gone, go to my car, and we have this inside. Hold on, can I switch it around? We have this inside my car door. It says drive behind me, follow me. And then this stuff was inside.
It's a note.
Y'all know,
It's a
she
note.
was trying to give me a note.
I want to read it.
This is a note she's been trying to give me for freaking ever.
Let's read it.
I didn't want to know. I didn't care to see
We
the
should
note.
read it.
But this is what the note is.
We should read it.
You want to read it, screenshot it, because I'm going to put it back.
Dear Mikhail, Gym Crush, IG Crush. Did she say address? She asked for the address. Her name is Aja. I just moved to Houston as a college student. I found you off IG, Coach Kels. I want you to be my gym crush. I need a trainer at my apartment, 424. Tell him everything. Also, share Aja's membership at Law Fitness Gym. Why is she talking in fucking first person?
Third person? Yeah,
second
something like that.
Or is it third person? I don't know. She's hitting a lot of them, bro.
This is
Can you meet
satanic,
me
I
at my
promise
apartment?
you. It's
Drive
demonic.
behind to take fitness classes on Highway 290 Northwest. Aja thinks Kel is cute. I will remember each other. Get to know each other. Hang out after sessions at Morefit. I have a white car. You telling them everything. Train me, pretty brown female. That's not the type of training she's talking about. That's not the type of training. She ain't talking about that kind of training, bro. I like you in apartment sessions 1-on-1. Come over. Workouts at my place. Yo.
There was a picture that she took from our grand opening back in February. So this is how she got my number. So she originally started stalking me over a year ago, like through Instagram. But I didn't never really see her in person. She had like a couple pictures on Instagram, so I never really knew what she really looked like, so I wouldn't pay much mind. She moved to Houston, and she came to our grand opening in February, and she came up to me in person and asked, could she get my number so she can contact me about training? I'm like, oh yeah, cool, whatnot. Not really recognizing who she was.
Okay.
Fast forward. Now, some motherfucking business card shit. That's fucking wild.
Relax,
wild
bitch.
Relax, bitch. It's crazy. And then some other fucking shit. But yeah, crazy.
Pardon the
crazy
language
shit.
in this video. 'Cause
That's
it's
the
crazy.
update. This was also near. I had to cut it out the video because she broke my number on it.
God told me to stalk you.
But yeah, God told me to stalk you. Crazy. Fucking crazy.
Guys, this is her business card. I want to see if she answers, bro. Hold on, we're gonna call.
This is craziest video I've seen. This is crazy.
try one more time. I'm trying one more time, bro. I can't give up.
Hello?
Come on.
No pickup, it seems like.
Hello? I'm looking for Aja Nakia. You sell the Relax bit? Okay, guys, y'all ain't gonna believe this. I fucked up. I don't know why the TikTok stopped recording, but I was like, hey, is this Aja? I'm looking for the Relax bitch. I was wondering where I could still buy it. And then she just stayed quiet. It stayed quiet the whole time. Then she was just like, click, hung up. And I was like, what the fuck? But she actually answered. Guys, I was not expecting her to answer though. Okay, now earlier he said that she pulled up to his job and they were arguing and bickering outside. He gave us the video for that, so we're gonna watch that.
Stop coming up here and harassing him. I get cash. What are you talking about? You look stupid. How do I look stupid? I don't even know your name. You don't need to. What's your name then? You don't got a name now? You don't know what I pay for, baby. Don't go through my credit cards and my debit cards. You don't know what I do. I can do whatever the fuck I want to do. I paid for all this shit. What are y'all talking about? Where Whitney at? Bring her outside.
Right here.
Bring Whitney.
No, Whitney not available right now.
Why Whitney not available?
She busy.
Why she not available?
Because she got a lot of business to handle.
Don't she own the gym?
Yeah, she do.
Okay, where is she? Bring her out.
She handling her business.
Yeah, like I'm handling mine. So what is y'all arguing
You
for?
not a member
So
here.
what is you arguing for, though?
I'm not arguing. I'm just letting you know what it is.
I don't know you. What's your fucking...
What the fuck?
Oh my days,
pulling up
bro.
to your job is just crazy. Like, how are you gonna get rid of her, bro? I don't know what are you gonna do about this, bro?
You
Now,
have to
someone
move
sent him a
cities.
comment and said, why don't you just like stop talking to her? Like, cease all connect. Don't respond to her no more. Why do you keep responding to her? Then he posts his Instagram messages with her. Oh, damn. 2022. Look. Oh, damn. Bro, she's mentioning you every day. Whoa.
Wow.
Where's your living room in Houston? Where are you living? Oh, can I book an appointment? I'm not taking clients just yet. Let me know soon. Membership link to. I signed a fitness segment online from your page. You see my name? Damn. Oh my God. Look. Oh my God. Did she ship on Christmas? No. That's crazy. Now she's just calling. Wow. Now it's just next year, January. What gym are you doing walk-ins? He said, please stop booking calls. I don't care, bro. If you really want her to stop, you should just block her account. I don't know why you let this go on for so long. You should have blocked this account by now. Yeah, I don't get
Fair
you.
play.
You was doing okay, but your first mistake was you fucking posted her. Like, look. She saw this and was like, I knew we were supposed to be. I knew it. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. I knew it. There's a chance. There's a chance. Then she keeps looking for your area. Look, good areas. I'm looking to what county in Houston. She's trying to figure out where you are so that she can move right over there, which is what he said. He said that she moved over there for him, which is crazy. What gyms are you at in person? How can I make an appointment? She's just trying to see you in person, which is just crazy. She got an Instagram though. Oh, this is her page. Oh, she a Capricorn? Oh, that makes fucking sense. Oh, damn, this shit has 300 comments. What the fuck are they saying? Girl, that man like it in the butt. Anyways, LOL. You're gonna literally just tell in the comments.
Goodness me, what is this now?
You, the people taking the time to talk shit, y'all lame and weird. On the cool, her and old boy might be playing everyone. This is a creative way to get buzz and create content. Buddy's gay anyway, don't trip. I'm here for the comments. She was stalking a gay man. A real N-word would have ran through her a couple of times. What the fuck? Cool, crazy. The fact that you stalk him is a sign that you and Coach Kell are meant to be. Hey, don't do that. This is why you got to chase harder. He already talked about being in a devil energy, and I believe it in all forms. These women on TikTok comment concerned about him, when in reality, all he really needs is you to be free from the shackles of this devilish energy. Bro, stop that. Oh my God. These comments are crazy, guys. Couldn't have been me. Your ass would have seen that. Whoa. Leave that man alone. You're not his type, girl. You don't want your get help, stalker. You're way too pretty to be begging for this man's attention. Please stop. Oh my God, these comments. Oh my God, people are saying to me not, but this kind of problem, you cannot be nice to these kind of people. They take it as enabling or they're doing good. What she's doing is harmful, dangerous, and disgusting. You do not meet this kind of behavior with niceness. You got to meet it with tough, stern. Everyone, please have. Whoa, they're going crazy on it. Yeah, it's raps. You need. Oh my God. Okay, guys, this story ends here. This was a messy one. I'm not sure if this is still continuing, but Coach Kels, you got this, bro. Just stop responding and block her and everything. I hope you got her blocked. I hope so, bro. She's just really looking for love, and I can somewhat understand and be empathetic to that. But chill out, boss.
No, I'm gonna pause it right there, because if this was the opposite, like I said earlier in this video, and if this was a guy, it wouldn't be like, oh, I can somewhat understand. No. He's just looking for love. No, it would be, this guy is a creep. He needs to go jail. He needs to blah 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 blah. So, but on the spiritual end, something doesn't seem right. Something doesn't look right. I don't know. You guys let me know anyways in the comment section down below. Does something seem right or not? And by the way, whilst you're in the comment section down below, you're going to see a link. But if you are serious about business... Guys, this video isn't sponsored by anybody, but for a long time now, I've been running my other YouTube channels and showing people how to grow on YouTube and actually make money on YouTube. So I thought I'll bring it to my Christian channel as well to show you guys as proof. Let me refresh the page right there. It's refreshing. And as you can see, this month alone, we've been able to bring in £1,598. In dollars is probably 1,800 and something, I believe. If you are interested, link is somewhere in the description down below. By all means, you don't have to, but I thought, hey, Christians need to make money too. And now with the transparency out of the way, let's get back into the video. And
at home, look up on the internet right now. Look up.
That's it basically. So if you're serious, link is in the description down below. Join us. If not, then don't join us. I don't take on everybody anyways, because not everybody is good to work with. So check out this awesome video you see right there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.